This is a used 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Independence Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3101 Columbia Boulevard, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania 17815.